Hey everyone, Brendan Poling here with Forest River Vibe, checking out our brand new Vibe 28 rear living. Let's take a look at the outside here. So on the Vibes, like the rest of the Vibe line, we do have power jacks as well as a power tongue jack. It's power everything, and again, this is all standard on our units. So what's making this unit a little bit different from other guys that are similar is we run two awnings when it makes sense. So we have one awning here and we have one mounted to our slide box. What this does is normally where you see it mounted, it goes over your slide. Well, that eats up into your outside space, right? So we have a smaller one up here, and we also have a second one mounted onto our slide box. That way you don't give up any outside space. Also for us this year, we have our MoRide step. This is the aluminum solid step. So this folds up into the unit, aluminum, very lightweight, easy to do. You also have the steps that can retract out if you're on uneven surfaces, and it is nice and wide. We do run a slightly wider doorway of a full 30-inch doorway versus the typical 26, 28. So it does give you a nice bigger step. Also on the Vibes, we have our extended season camping package. So what this is, most guys in our segment have a heated and enclosed underbelly, but we do a couple things better. So heated tank pads are standard on our unit. That is a heated pad that goes on each one of your tanks underneath to keep them from freezing. We also do extra insulation around our water lines underneath, and we also have thermofoil underneath. That way we keep everything nice and insulated underneath and keep the heat under the camper. Going back here, again, standard on our Vibe product is our Camp Anywhere package. So what this package is our full solar setup. So mounted on the roof, we have a 200-watt panel. Comes the 30-amp controller, even includes the battery. So when this thing comes in, it is ready to go camping. So if you're gonna be boondocking off the grid, whether you just wanna use it and you're not gonna be hooked up to shore power, it gives you an option to use quite a few things in your camper without being hooked up to power. Again, this is standard on the Vibes. Then moving to the back of the camper, something a little bit new for this year is we have our stow and go ladder from Lippert. So this is an extendable ladder. We are prepped for it. This goes down to 39 inches. You can extend it up and it hooks right into that prep up there. That way if you need to get up onto the roof, do some maintenance, anything like that, you can hop up there and do it, no problem. Let's go take a look at the inside. Here we are on the inside of our Vibe 28 RL. So first and foremost, the first thing you notice is the huge windows all the way around. So if you're gonna be at a campsite with a view, this is the one to have. We have the biggest windows in our class all the way around and the huge one in the back as well. So new for this year and standard in this model are our new theater seats. These do recline. They have the light up cup holders, some LEDs underneath, standard for this model. And in the back, if you're gonna have guests, we also have our larger trifold sleeper sofa. This folds out. You can have a guest sleep here if need be. And then our entertainment system. So in our entertainment system, we have the 50-inch Connex TV. This has a built-in soundbar. You can also do your Bluetooth, all that stuff through this, HDMI inputs, and you can work your outside speakers from this as well. And then just down below, we have our 30-inch Furrion fireplace. So comes the remote, you can change the colors and things on it. This will actually heat up to about 450 square feet, so it does put out quite a good amount of heat if you need it. And then next to that, we have our pantry. So nice large pantry in here for your island kitchen setup. So in the kitchen, we have our full Furrion kitchen setup. Nice vent over top. We also have our custom pot and pan drawer underneath. And then we have tons of storage in our island, stainless steel deep sink. And then we have our 12-volt Furrion refrigerator. The nice thing about this, it is 12 volt. So whether you're gonna go off the grid and camp, whether you're gonna just use it going down the road, there's quite a bit of ways you could use it being 12 volt. And you also get the storage capacity that is quite a bit larger from your typical gas electric. Then moving around here, so this is our actually optional freestanding table and chairs. Normally, you can get it with just the booth dinette that has some storage and things underneath. But if you want to upgrade a little bit with our optional freestanding table and chairs, they just hook into the floor here when you're going down the road, and comes this nice 4-chair setup. Moving into the front of the coach here, we have our bathroom. Like a few other floor plans, we have our porcelain toilet and our full 30 by 36 walk-in shower with our Irvine anti-slam door. Now moving into the bedroom area. So in the bedroom, nice large queen bed. We have some storage bins underneath here and some storage behind. Then on each side of the bed, we have some 12-volt chargers. We have some 110 outlets. On one side, we have a full-length wardrobe. One side we leave open. That's designed to fit CPAP machines, things like that. If you want to leave a book, if you like to read before bed, gives you some extra storage area and places to put things, because in this model, we do have an actual bedroom closet as well. So motion sensor light, the hanger is included, gives you a lot more room as far as hanging clothes and things like that. This is Brendan from Forest River Vibe. Thanks for coming and taking a tour of our brand new Vibe 28 rear living. If you have any questions or want any more information, feel free to go to our website, www.forestriverinc.com/vibe. Thanks and happy camping.